Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you and I are going to learn together how to use the Polaroid zip. I've had this cutie for a very long time. To be exact, I bought it when I was going to Egypt, and at that time I thought that I was going to be able to take a lot of pictures during the day and then come at night and just print out my pictures and put them in my planner. At that time I was in a different planner, of course, and to make a long story short, I just didn't have time to print anything. I did take a whole lot of pictures, I just never printed them out. Even though I had this with me, I will come to the hotel, I will crash at night, and I will get up in the morning and have a very busy day all over again. So it's been in the box ever since, but today we are going to learn together how to use this. First up, let's just open it up and see. Of course, I got this in Amazon. I'll put the link below so that you could, if you're interested, you could always, hold on one second. I think it comes in two different colors, black and white, but I got me this here. It comes with instructions. Of course, this, and paper, and a cable. Okay, cool. By the way, I knew that this was only coming with 10 sheets of paper, and what I did, I went and I got me a pack, an extra pack, because like I said, at that time I thought I was going to be printing a lot, and I didn't. So I bought me 30 sheets, and of course I had to be cute, and I bought me a pouch, a protective pouch. It has a pocket within itself. I guess you put the paper in here and you put your Polaroid zip in here. Very cute. All right. So the instructions, let's see. Quick start guide. Okay, before I do anything, let's see. It comes with a USB connector with the cable. I guess you could charge this. This slide, I guess this is what the paper comes out of, and okay, I'm just reading the instructions here. It says slide and lift lid to open. Oh, here we go. Okay. It says don't touch. And then insert the zinc paper only. The blue smart sheet with the barcode must be inserted facing down. Okay. Okay, I went ahead and I opened it, and this is what that looks like. Oh wow, it has all the symbols in here. Don't leave it in the car, don't put fingerprints, and do not bend. Okay, cool. So we are going to be good planner girls, and I am going to insert it facing down, I think. Okay. And then I'm gonna place this back on. It says you have to charge it for an hour and a half before using it, and I went and I charged it for a little bit. But we're gonna play with it just for the purpose of this video. It says to power on and off, you do this. Okay, we have this little light flashing right here. It charged. Okay, cool. Now it says we have to connect this to the Polaroid zip app, and I am going to do that right now. I'm not going to bore you, so I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll be back once it's all connected. Okay, I had a little technical difficulty because it was not pairing with my phone, and maybe it was because I had this on it, and this protects my phone completely. So I took it off, and now I'm reading you're supposed to place it on top. Now it gives you this is, I've had, when I opened up the app on my phone, I've had the app from a long time ago, and I just saw that there might be a different upgrade, but I checked for the upgrade and there was no upgrade for this particular app, so maybe they changed the app altogether. But anyways, we're gonna try this together, and I am going to try to see if I could print. Okay, go to galleries. Of course, we're gonna print a picture of my baby. I like this picture. It gives you some quick tips, and this is on top of the printer because it says here that you have to put your phone on top of the printer. I don't know why, but here we go. So close that. There he is. So we have, let's see, I have a choice to print it just like it is, or I could frame it to fit, which is already framed. I don't understand, but we're going back to this. I don't know what's going on. And I'm going to press the, well, what it says? It says quick print. Go to gallery, tap on desired photo to print, and tap on the printer icon on the bottom of the preview page, which is right here. And okay, here we go. Let's see what it does. It says it's sending the image to the device. Okay, so I guess it's synced together, and we're gonna try it. Let's see how long that takes. Okay, what happened? Oh no. Okay, it's making a noise. I don't know if I should move my phone off of the printer. I'm just gonna move it this way. I don't know what's happening. I have a red light flashing here. I don't know what that means. Oh, this is in a different language. Okay, the light changed from flashing red to white. Now, I'm just waiting. Should I lift this on top? I don't know, you guys. Let's see. I don't know why it's taking a while. I don't know why. Did I place this wrong? I don't know. You know what? I don't know what's going on, you guys. It's not making that noise anymore. It's not printing. I don't know. Let me just pause the video, figure it out, and I'll be back. Okay, what I did now, I went and I connected the device. Maybe I should have, I don't know, charged it longer, but it says it's fully charged, but it's connected right now, and I am going to try it again. Now, another thing that I noticed is when I went into my the Bluetooth connector right here, I'll show you. I'm going to turn it on, and it gives me the option. I named it Tatum's Zip. So when I click on that, it does nothing, even though it's already connected to Bluetooth. So I'm thinking this is either not ready to be synced yet, or there's something with the I don't know what it is, but of course we're gonna figure it out together. So I'm gonna scan and hopefully have my phone find the device, but it's already there, so it's doing nothing. No, and it says no Bluetooth device found. So I'm gonna press done, and I am going to go to the app itself. It says here my zip. Let's see, I'm looking for settings of any kind. It says here buy more paper, connect via Bluetooth. Okay, so this is what I want. I want to connect via Bluetooth, so I'm going to press on that. Application is requesting permission to turn on. Okay, so allow it. Yes. And it's on, but it still says no Bluetooth device found. Oh no, so I am going to unpair it. Okay, now it says available devices, so I'm gonna click on it, and it's pairing. And it says can connect to the Polaroid zip. Why? I have no idea. Let's figure that one out. I'll be back. I'm gonna find out if there's something within the app itself. So let's see, device manager, pair devices. We're gonna search, scanning for new devices. Okay, so I found something I didn't do. It says here press the my zip button on the lower right, and then press the device manager button, and then the app will automatically connect to the Polaroid zip. Okay, let's do that. So that didn't work. So this leads me to think that perhaps there is a new Polaroid zip app. So I am going to fast forward this right now, and we're gonna search and see if there is a new Polaroid zip app. Alright, you guys, in my desperation, I went and I resetted the entire thing, and now when I went to my Bluetooth options, I see the Polaroid zip right here. So I'm gonna click on that. And now it says that it's connected. Okay. Now let's go to the app itself. Jesus Christ. Device manager. No, maybe not. Oh. There's an update. So let's click on that. This white button is flashing now. It's updating all the files that it needs to pair it off, and it says it has 2030 files and I'm up to 757. Now after all the files are sent, it's still saying it's preparing to update, and it has been about 3 minutes already. So let's see. Update completed. Update for the file info. Your Polaroid zip will restart when update is finished. I press OK. Now this thing is off. Oh. Okay, you guys, this is really, it's taken me a very long time, and now it says the device status is disconnected, but I just connected the device. I don't understand. So we are going back. Unable to connect my Polaroid zip. Wow, this is off. So I thought this was gonna restart on its own, but it's not restarting. So I wonder if I should restart it myself. Yep, let's do it. I'm pressing that button again. Oh, now there's a noise. This is printing. Let's see. I followed the instructions. I don't know what happened. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, let's try it. So I'm gonna quick print a picture, go to gallery, of course my baby, same picture, blah blah blah, and print. Yay, finally! All right. Oh my god, how pretty. Look, I have to say these colors are amazing. Beautiful. All right. Okay, about the picture, this size is about 2 by 3. Okay, now let's try it in the planner. Oh, this is completely, I have not spent time in this planner in a while because I've been playing with my other planners. Where is the picture? There it is. So in comparison to these boxes, it's a little bigger, which means I either have to cut my picture or properly edit into my Polaroid zip. Let's try that. Okay, there is this edit print option. Let's go to gallery and let's go to the baby. Let's print a different picture. I like this picture. Now it gives you all this option. This is my printing area. I can move the pictures. I could zoom it in or out. Choose a different picture. Go to print preview, save it, or edit. So no, this only puts. Oh, what is this? You could edit. I guess you could change the color. You could put a filter. You could add stuff to it. No, I don't think so. Oh, how do you do this? No. Okay, hold on. How do I undo that? Oh no. Undo. Okay, cool. What is this? You could frame it. Oh no, but there is no option to crop it. Wah, wah. What that means is that I will have to cut this picture to make it fit into my planner. I could do that. I also have to mention that this is sticker paper, and all you have to do is peel it off. This is sticky, and then you stick it on your planner. Okay, so now I'm ready to add my picture. I went and I rounded the corners. I have to say, guys, the quality of this picture is really nice. It's really glossy. This is my baby's insert in my traveler's notebook. So what I'll do, I will peel this off. Oh goodness, and I'll place a little heart right on top of it. And now it is part of my planner. This is his insert, and I write in things for him in his own little notebook here. Beautiful. There you have it. It took forever for me to figure it out, but obviously the app had some changes from the time that I downloaded the app on my phone until now. Alright, so if you have a Polaroid zip, just know that you have to update the app or get the new app. But the funny part is, when I went to the Play Store and I went to the Polaroid zip, it only gave me an option to install this app. But as far as my other app, it did not give me an option to update or anything. But anyways, I am happy that I figured it out, and now I am able to go right ahead and use my printer as much as I want. In regards to this, I think this sheet in here was placed by mistake within the pack, because you saw me take it out of the pack, and I think it was placed on this side like this, but the barcode itself was placed facing down like it instructed me to do, and that's why I was able to go and run through it as a test. But I think what I'm going to do now, I am just going to add this back into the printer, because why waste a nice clean sheet? I should take this off, right? I know some companies do sell like nice personalized vinyl stickers, because I've seen them around. I don't know, I probably leave it just as is, because like I showed you, I went and I got me this protective pouch, and I will probably just leave it like that. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you just a little bit in trying to figure out how to use your Polaroid zip. I will put all the links down below. Alright, so as always, I will place more pictures in my Instagram account. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now!